Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Moneymaker001. Today I'm going to show you an insanely awesome strategy to make $100. You can make $100 just in 2 days. Okay, this can work really best and you can make a lot of money with this strategy. This is a paid strategy. Yeah, you have to invest some of your money, that is $10 to $20, not more than that, and you can make $100 out of this strategy in a single or 2 days. Okay, so now let's get started without wasting any of your time, and let me tell you how you can make this money. Okay, so now let's get into the content to make $100 every single day. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find a product. Okay, so now I have went to digistore 24 online website. Okay, so you can just go and sign up to this affiliate network which is known as digistore 24, and you just have to go to this health and fitness category. Okay, fitness and health, and you can find this product. Okay, this is really great product, and you can see you can earn up to 3.58 dollars for every sale. Okay, so you can see here, and you can now start promoting. Your query is pending. Okay, so not this one, I'm sorry. This one is not just I have just requested for approval, but they haven't provided any approval. That's why I will be going with this product. Okay, so you can earn 4.79 dollars just for promoting this product. Okay, so this is a free giveaway product, so don't worry, it has really high conversion rate. Okay, so you can see it has 12% of conversion rate, and you can see that okay, there's no commission, but you get $4.79 for every sale which you make. Now just get the affiliate. Now we will be promoting this product. Okay, now how we will be promoting this offer and product is really simple. Okay, so now let's get started and let's promote this product. We will be promoting this product through using this software. Now don't worry, I'm gonna explain to you all the stuff how we will be promoting this product. Okay, so you can go to this website which is known as wave.video, and you can create all this type of amazing Instagram stories over here. So you can see I have created some. Now let me show you how you can create this type of Instagram stories, and a secret through which you can download this stories absolutely for free. You don't need to pay for this. Okay, so now just click on this edit button. So you can choose multiple templates over here. There are lots and lots of other stuff available on this, but I will show you a trick with which you can download all the videos of this platform which you have made absolutely for free. Now you just have to select the template. Okay, so once you have selected the template of Instagram stories, okay, now just open the editor. Okay, once you open the editor, you can now just here you can select the size. Okay, you can select, this is YouTube video size 16:9, this is Facebook size, or this is Twitter size, this is vertical Instagram. Okay, this is IGTV, this is LinkedIn, and all this stuff. Okay, so you find a lot of them. Okay, so now you just have to select one thing or one size. Okay, so we are going to create an Instagram story, so we are going to select this. Okay, now once you have selected this, now there is a template for you. Okay, so I have already selected a template which you can select on the previous page, which is here. Just click on this new video and browse templates. Okay, and now then you can see there are lots and lots of templates available here. Just click this one and you will find all the Instagram story templates. Okay, and you can edit those templates as per your choice. Okay, so you can edit all any of this template whichever you like. For this purpose and for this video I have selected this template. Okay, and now you can see I have already created this template. Now just all you need to do is drag and drop to edit this template. Okay, so you can see I can just drag over here, I can change some text, whatever I want to change over here, move it up and down and all that stuff. Okay, so everyone knows that how to put text over here and all that stuff. That's really simple. And if you really want to replace the background, then you can just click on this background and replace the background color. For example, we'll make it black, or we can make it white, but I think black suits the best, so that's why let's keep it black. Now you can also select over here, and you can also select a color over here. Okay, so let's let it be white. It looks good. Okay, now one more thing which you can also replace this video which is inside over here. Now you can just click over on this video and you can replace with any of the clips. There are so many clips available over here. Okay, now let's select a finest clip, a food clip. Okay, okay, this one looks good, so let's click on replace, and this video will be replaced by that particular clip. Okay, now you can also edit this stuff and all that others. Okay, you can edit this text and all these things. Okay, over here now you just have to add this animated sticker. Okay, now if you want to add this type of animated stickers, all you need to do is go to over graphics and stickers over here. Okay, and you can now find a lot of graphics over here. Now you can add any of this graphics over here. Okay, now let me add one more of the graphic which looks really fine. Now you can also add gifs. Let's search for food, FWD, enter. Okay, so now see, you can see this graphic which I have selected over here, which is an swipe. Okay, so this is the swipe graphic which I have uploaded over here. This is an animated graphic over here. You can choose any of this. For example, you can choose this one instead of that. Okay, and now you can see, let me play this video and you can see how this graphic works. Okay, okay, so now this graphic has been entered over here. Now you can see. Okay, so this is a great Instagram story which is made for us. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to download this Instagram story to your computer, and then I will show you the next process which you require. Just click on this publish and click on this render button. Okay, once you start rendering the video, it will take some time to render this video, and after that you can download this video. Now I'm gonna show you the trick with which you can download this video. So watch this video. Okay, so once it is done, you will see there. Okay, so it is done. Now you just have to click on Control Shift and I. Okay, once. Okay, so now you have opened Control Shift I. Okay, and then you just have to click on this link, which is this type of link will appear. Okay, in which final would be written. Okay, once you click on this link, you can see this video started downloading onto my computer, and you can see it has downloaded over here. Okay, that's really interesting, that's really easy, and this is how you download this type of videos absolutely for free from wave.videos. Okay, now you have got the video. Okay, so you are now promoting an ebook with this video. Okay, and you can see this video really looks catchy. Let me show you the video. So you can see quick and tasty keto ebook recipe. Okay, so we have got the video over here. Now what you can do is, now you can just go to this website which is known as influencercart.com. Okay, if this is a website from where you can buy shout outs from Instagram influencers. Okay, so for now we are promoting food and nutrition, and just click on this apply. Okay, so you have got the so many pages for food and nutrition. Now you can promote this product to this sorry for that, and now you can promote this product to this pages. You can see this page only costs $10. Okay, this page costs $34, this costs $10. So now all you need to do is just go to influencer cart, and then you can now select the category. For example, you want to promote your affiliate link from this. Okay, get your affiliate link and provide this person with the particular story which you have created. Okay, this story can make a lot more, get a lot more views. Now you can see over here, just select single. Okay, oh sorry, not single but story. Okay, just select story. Now select time for 24 hours, and with bio URL. Okay, so you can see that it just costs $12. Okay, so now you can just piggy bank on this 132,000 followers, oh sorry, 137,000 followers which this account has. Okay, and you can just make a lot more money out of it just by spending $12. Okay, absolutely, $12 for this. Okay, and this story would be on his Instagram page for 24 hours. Okay, so for 24 hours, whoever just goes and swipes to your link and gets this free ebook, you get a commission. Gets this free ebook, you get a commission of 4.79 US dollars. That's why you are just spending $12 and you can just make more than $100 in profit just by promoting this product and with this strategy. So I hope you have got some value in this video. You got some awesome strategy with which you can make a lot of money online. Now all you need to do is pay close attention to the subscribe button and also press the bell icon which will come next to it, so that you will get notified every time I come up with this type of awesome strategies on make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.